it's third gear or less. It prevents the car from going into fourth gear and fifth gear. It prevents the car from going into overdrive. So it's just like you can think of it as first, second, and third gear, but this is the automatic transmission. So when you have this down here, like here, over, now it's in third, and it's not going. The car's engine, it's not going to allow the transmission to switch over the cogs to fourth or to anything higher than third gear. So if you're driving along on the interstate and your car is revving really high, like you can just tell it's different, then that means you're probably in 3, and you need to get over in D. So just flip it over, hit your brake, put over in D a little bit, or just you can have it like that. You don't hit your brake's already. Well, you press your brake in and put it in D, but that's how you do that, folks. So that's what 3 means. It means third gear or less. No more than third gear. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day. So, you're probably wondering, what does that 3 mean? That's beside the D on your Toyota RAV4. Well, you have the low drive, second. These 2 gears are like when it's icy and you want to go slow. It's like 15 or below, or 10 or below miles per hour, and 25 and below miles per hour. 3 is almost the same as D. The 3, you might as well consider it the same thing as drive. You can be in 3 and just have a good day, neutral, reverse, park. But the 3